Welcome to Gobichettipalayam, folks. Nestled in the heart of Tamil Nadu, this town's a survivor, tough, resourceful and full of life. You won't find five-star resorts or fancy spas here. This is raw, real India where the land and its people share an unbreakable bond. We're going deep into the heart of Gobichettipalayam, exploring its vibrant culture, its history etched in every stone and the spirit of its people. This is about more than just ticking off landmarks, it's about understanding the soul of a place. So pack your curiosity, your sense of adventure, and get ready to discover Gobichettipalayam, a town that's not just on the map, but etched in the heart of Tamil Nadu. All right, first things first, we need to get our bearings. Imagine a vast plain stretching as far as the eye can see. That's where you'll find Gobichettipalayam, smack dab in the Tamil Nadu plains. We're talking about 50 kilometers south of Erode, a decent trek, and about 85 kilometers southwest of Coimbatore. Now this terrain isn't for the faint of heart. The sun here? It's relentless, beating down with temperatures soaring past 40 degrees Celsius in the summer. Trust me, you'll be sweating buckets, but don't let that deter you. The monsoon season brings some relief, drenching the land in life-giving rain. And the winters, well, they're mild, like a warm embrace after a long day. This constant push and pull between the elements, the scorching sun, the torrential rain and the mild winters have shaped not just the land, but the very spirit of the people here. They're resilient, adaptable, and always ready for whatever Mother Nature throws their way. Every town has a story, a past that whispers through its streets. And Gobichettipalayam, well, its history is as rich and vibrant as the land itself. Legend has it that the town owes its name to a local chieftain, a true leader named Gobichetti. He was instrumental in shaping this place, leaving his mark on its very identity, but we're talking centuries, millennia even of history here. This region has seen it all, the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of dynasties. It's been a witness to the grand tapestry of South Indian history. Think about it. Ancient kingdoms, each leaving their own indelible mark on the culture, the architecture, the very soul of this place. It's like stepping back in time, with each brick and stone whispering tales of bygone eras. And through it all, agriculture has been the lifeblood of Gobichettipalayam. Generation after generation, toiling the land, nurturing it, respecting its rhythms. It's this deep connection to the earth that has sustained them, and it's a connection that continues to this day. Now, when you're in Gobichettipalayam, you can't miss the energy, the hustle, the sheer drive that fuels this town. It's a place where tradition meets enterprise, where ancient practices are woven into the fabric of modern commerce. Agriculture, that's the backbone. We're talking coconut palms, swaying in the breeze, their fruit a source of sustenance and income. And then there's the groundnut, the peanut, a humble crop that fuels the local economy. Sugarcane fields stretch as far as the eye can see, their sweet bounty a testament to the hard work of the farmers. And let's not forget the pulses and vegetables bursting with flavor, a riot of colors in the marketplaces. But it's not just about farming. Gobichettipalayam is a hub of skilled artisans, their hands weaving magic on looms. The rhythmic clatter of these looms is the soundtrack of the town, a symphony of tradition and craftsmanship. And what do they create? Exquisite handloom fabrics, renowned throughout India. The famous lungis and sarongs draped with elegance are a testament to their artistry. It's a legacy passed down through generations, a source of pride and identity. Listen closely and you'll hear the heartbeat of Gobichettipalayam, a rhythm of faith, a celebration of life itself. This is a town where ancient traditions are kept alive, where festivals are a riot of color, music and sheer joy. Pongal, the harvest festival, that's when Gobichettipalayam truly comes alive. It's a time for thanksgiving, for honoring the land that sustains them. You'll see processions, hear ancient chants, and feel the energy of a community united in celebration. But it's not just Pongal. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates the town with 1,000 flickering lamps. Vinayaka Chaturthi, honoring the elephant-headed god Ganesha, is a time for families to come together, to seek his blessings. And then there's Makar Sankranti, a celebration of the sun's journey, a time for new beginnings. And amidst all this, the temples stand tall, ancient sentinels of faith. The Sri Perumal Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is a masterpiece of Dravidian architecture. Its towering Gopuram, or temple tower, a beacon of spirituality. Then there's the Mariamman Temple, where devotees seek the blessings of the goddess Mariamman, the protector, the one who shields them from harm. It's a testament to the power of faith, a place where hope and belief intertwine. The spirit of Gobichettipalayam, it's not just about preserving the past, it's about shaping the future. And that's where education comes in. A powerful tool for progress, for empowerment. This town might not have sprawling universities, but it has something just as valuable. A thirst for knowledge, a hunger to learn. You'll find schools, colleges, vocational training centers, all buzzing with the energy of young minds eager to make their mark. Students from surrounding villages, they flock to Gobichettipalayam seeking quality education, a chance to build a brighter future. It's a testament to the town's commitment to progress, to nurturing the potential of its youth. Government, schools, private institutions, they all play a vital role, providing a solid foundation for these young minds to soar. And it's not just about textbooks and exams, it's about instilling values, fostering creativity, and igniting a passion for lifelong learning. These students, they're the future of Gobichettipalayam, and they're ready to face any challenge, to climb any mountain. They're the embodiment of the town's spirit, resilient, resourceful, and determined to succeed. Now, Gobichettipalayam might not be on the tourist map, but that's what makes it special. It's a place for those who crave authenticity, who want to experience the real India, unspoiled and unfiltered. Venture beyond the town's borders and you'll discover hidden gems, natural wonders that will take your breath away. Take the Satyamangalam Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven of biodiversity, a sanctuary where nature reigns supreme. Imagine trekking through dense forests, the air alive with the calls of exotic birds. You might even spot a tiger, its stripes a blur in the undergrowth, or an elephant, its sheer size taking your breath away. And then there's the Bhavani River, its waters a lifeline for the region. It's a place of tranquility, where you can cast a line, feel the cool water on your skin, and just connect with nature's rhythm. If you're craving a bit of city life, Erode is just a stone's throw away. Explore its bustling markets, soak in its history, and experience the energy of a thriving textile hub. Now, reaching Gobichettipalayam, it's an adventure in itself, but don't worry, this town might be off the beaten track. But it's not cut off from the world. Roads, railways, they crisscross this region, connecting Gobichettipalayam to the rest of Tamil Nadu. Hop on a bus, feel the wind in your hair as you journey through the countryside, soaking in the sights and sounds of rural India. The train station, it's a hive of activity, a gateway to new horizons. From here you can embark on journeys to nearby cities, each with its own unique charm and character. And if you're short on time, Coimbatore Airport's just a hop, skip and a jump away. It's your connection to the wider world, a reminder that adventure awaits. But remember, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. Embrace the unexpected, savor the local flavors, and let Gobichettipalayam surprise you. So there you have it, Gobichettipalayam, a town that's as tough as it is welcoming, as steeped in tradition as it is open to progress. This isn't just a place on a map, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of real India. We've trekked through its history, braved its climate, and felt the pulse of its people. It's a town that stays with you, its spirit lingering long after you've left. If you're looking for an adventure, for a chance to connect with the soul of Tamil Nadu, then Gobichettipalayam is calling. And remember, adventure is out there waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible journeys.